Mazda transmissions have undergone significant updates in recent years, particularly with their Sky Active Drive technology. However, several persistent issues continue to affect different transmission types across the lineup. CVT reliability has become a major concern in Mazda's CX-30 and Mazda 3 models. These issues typically emerge around 60,000 to 80,000 miles, affecting the belt-driven continuously variable transmission system. The 6-speed Sky Active Drive automatic transmission experiences shift hesitation and harsh shifting, particularly problematic in stop-and-go traffic conditions where smooth operation is most critical. Manual transmissions in 2019 through 2023. Mazda 3 and MX-5 Miata models face premature clutch wear and flywheel problems, affecting the driving experience and requiring costly repairs. Mazda has responded to these issues by issuing technical service bulletins for software calibration problems in CX-5 and CX-9 models, and has quietly extended powertrain warranties for certain transmission components due to premature failure patterns. Understanding these transmission issues helps owners and technicians identify problems early and take appropriate action. Proper maintenance and staying current with technical service bulletins remain crucial for transmission longevity. Proper diagnosis of Mazda transmission problems requires a systematic approach. We'll cover the essential diagnostic steps that every technician should follow. First, always start with a thorough fluid inspection. Check the transmission fluid color, smell, and consistency. These visual indicators can reveal critical information about internal component condition. Next, use Mazda-specific scan tools for accurate error code reading. Generic OBD scanners may miss manufacturer-specific codes that are crucial for proper diagnosis. Perform a systematic road test to evaluate all gear ranges and shift points. This hands-on assessment reveals problems that may not show up in static diagnostics. Verify that the transmission control module has the latest software calibration. Mazda frequently releases updates that address shift quality and reliability issues. Don't forget to inspect related components like CV joints and engine mounts. These can cause symptoms that mimic transmission problems, leading to misdiagnosis. Watch for these red flag symptoms that indicate serious transmission problems. Delayed engagement, harsh shifting, overheating warnings, unusual noises, and fluid leaks. Finally, remember the preventive maintenance schedule. Fluid changes every 60,000 miles for automatic transmissions and every 30,000 miles for CVT transmissions. Regular maintenance prevents most transmission problems. Following these diagnostic steps systematically will help you accurately identify Mazda transmission problems and avoid costly misdiagnosis. Remember, proper diagnosis is the foundation of effective repair.